Okay, we got a bunch of new ones now, so let's look at asm1. What does asm1 345 hex return? So the flag is a hexadecimal value, not in the normal flag format. Download the source. So we'll open that up. Okay, wow, this is going to be exciting. All right, so we have 345. So 345 is going to be passed in as a parameter. This looks like 32 bits, so on the stack at EBP plus 8. So we're going to compare 345 to 37A. It's smaller. And we'll compare to 345, jump not equal. Then we'll move that into EAX and add 3 to it. Then we'll jump to 529, which is ASM plus 60. All right, so that must be it. So we've just taken this and we've added 3 to it. So 0x348.